Alright, the first step to check Argentina's government or national debt, it's this website right here.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Create content effortlessly. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
It's called ciecdata.com, and basically this is just a general overview, but it's more of an in-depth article or a website if you're curious to check Argentina's national debt. The next website, I like this, it's Macro Trends, personally one of my favorites because it's more of a simplified website. You have the 5, 10, 20, 30 year chart, and as you can see, if you were to scroll down, you have a more in-depth analysis from other different countries and their debt as far as the GDP, and you can go all the way back to the 1960s. And this is actually the best website in my opinion besides Macro Trends to check Argentina's national debt. As you can see, it's usdebtclock.org. You have a list of all the different countries. So if we were to scroll down, Argentina's right here, national debt is $619 trillion. And that's how you check Argentina's national debt completely for free.